How to post photos on Pinterest. Now that's I am going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. Now the very first thing you have to do is in the bottom of this page you can see this icon, the home icon, search button, and the comment button, and also your profile name, username, first letter. So you have to click on your username first letter, and then here you come to your profile, and you have to click on the add, and then click on the create pin, and you have to choose any of the photos that you want. Like I choose this one, and then here you can add the title like motivation, and you can also type the description about this, and you can also add the destination website. In the first case you can use the you will use the destination website if you uh, use this photo from the social media, and then you can share the link of the original photos, or you can and second thing you can share is you can share your affiliate link or your website. So that's it, and you can enter your address and then click on the go. So that's it, and after that you do all these steps, then click on the next, and here you can see you have to create a board. Like I create this board, like I create this board moti like I create this board, and then create, and here you can see the your pin is and here you can see your pin is created, and your photo is also uploaded, and here also you can also see all the pins, and this is in your board. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to my channel, like on this video, comment below that this video is helpful, and if you not get help by this video, so comment below that you have a question. I will help you. Have a good day.